only date white boys. You've had many relationships, whatever. You have with your boyfriend at your parents' house.
Ew.
Have you ever had a pregnancy scare? Oh boy. Oh, I can't breathe. Oh, I want to show my outfit because it's really cute today. I got all ready. Yeah, look at my outfit. Okay, that's all. Hi guys, so right now I'm gonna be doing a reading your juicy assumptions about me. I asked you guys on Instagram to write any assumptions that you have about me, and I'm gonna be completely honest, when I was asking you guys what assumptions you guys have about me, I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna get my feelings hurt. Like lately I've been sensitive. I asked you guys to put juicy assumptions about me and I'm gonna answer them right now. Also, I've been struggling so much on like video ideas and all that. I think it's just because of quarantine, but I've been trying to upload a lot more. But if you guys have any video requests, definitely leave them down below because I am struggling with video ideas. So I thought this would be fun. I have a whole bunch of assumptions that you guys made about me. They are juicy. So before I start, definitely subscribe and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just a little bell thing, so definitely click it. Also, follow me on Instagram. It's just Krazyrayray. Okay, so we're gonna ease ourselves into the juicy ones. Let's take a look. I wish I was wearing sweats right now. Can I change? Okay, well, hold on. I hate myself. Oh my goodness. This is, I can breathe. This is way better. I'm loving this. First assumption is you're quick to cut people off.
Well, I will cut you.
It depends on the situation, but I feel like now I can read people better, and if someone's been consistently crappy towards me, like obviously I'm gonna distance myself away from them. I give people a lot of chances, but it depends on the situation, because if it's like bad, or if someone like cheated on me, or if they did me like really dirty, like obviously I'm gonna cut them off. I feel like over the past couple years I've definitely learned my worth and all of that, so I just don't tolerate that, if that makes sense. Okay, maybe I am. Yeah, maybe I am. Next assumption is you don't have much friends. I feel like that's true. I have like a very small circle. I have a guard up. I feel like a lot of people when they meet me, I come off as like really standoffish. I'm just like more of an observer. And then once you get to know me, I open up. I don't have a ton of friends and I like it that way. Have you ever had a pregnancy scare? Love you so much.
It just got real.
No, I have not, because I have birth control in my arm. Love that. I've had my arm implant for like almost 3 years, so this comes in clutch. No babies right now, at least. You have been cheated on before. P.S. I love you. I have been cheated on. I love that for me.
You think about cheating, you're cheating. If you go to Mokai, you're cheating. You look at the bottle waitress, you cheated, bro.
I literally hate cheaters. Next assumption is your mom doesn't like that your boyfriend is staying with you, which that is like the complete opposite. She like loves Jalen. I don't know, this relationship is so different. Like it feels so natural. But yeah, my mom's actually happy for us and she's happy that he's with us right now. Next one is that you binge watch pimple popping videos 24/7. Okay, I wouldn't say 24/7, but like I love watching pimple popping videos. Like, ooh, that is like my dream job, is just to pop pimples. Like, love that. I always pop Jalen's like pimples. Like if I see like a nice pimple, I'm like, you better not touch it. Like that is my pimple. And then like, I'm just disgusting. Okay, moving on. Next one is you wanna have kids, which yes, I 100% want kids. I want like 2 or 3 kids, I think. Maybe more, who knows. Next one is you used to party a lot. Correct, I used to party a ton. When I was like 18 to 20, I was partying a lot. Now I just go to festivals and that's the only time that I really like party or drink. And that's like once every couple months, but I used to party a lot. Good times. This one, you have sex with your boyfriend at your parents' house. Ew. You smoke weed because it's legal in your state. I do not smoke weed. I do not like the feeling. I don't think weed is for me, but shout out to the weed smokers. I don't know. I got a lot of assumptions on this one. Let me just read them off. Okay. You can't go without a boyfriend for a long time because you don't know how to stay single. You've had a lot of boyfriends. You get into relationships too fast. You've had many relationships. You can move on easily from past relationships. I get this comment a lot, and first of all, I see where you guys are coming from. Like, I totally get it. Like, whatever. I think I'm just more of like a relationship type of person.
I'm with him. I'm a Mrs. Iglesias.
No, you're not.
Let me just break it down, okay? In the span of 7 years, I've had 3 boyfriends. The first one was when I was like 15 and a half, and we dated for, I think it was like 6 months, but we were on and off for like years. Should I just spill the tea? I feel like people already know this. He was like my first. We ended up breaking up because he wanted to do the whole, I want to be single during the summer. That thing, yeah, annoying. I was single for 2 years, and then I got a boyfriend when I was 18, and we broke up because I just was not feeling it, and I didn't see it as like a long-term thing, so I just wanted to like end it there. 6 months after that, I got in a relationship with my last boyfriend, and we were long distance. I ended up breaking up with him because I wasn't doing so good mentally, and I felt like I shouldn't like be in a relationship if like I didn't love myself. Like, I'm not able to like love someone else until I love myself, if that makes sense. Which I'm happy that happened, because a couple months after we broke up, I found out that he cheated on me and that he talked shit about me, which was awesome. Love that. And then I was single for 7 months, and now I'm in my current relationship. I feel like the relationship I'm in right now is the like most healthiest relationship I've ever been in, but I definitely do know how to be single. Like, I am fine being single. I just feel like I'm more of a relationship type of person, and all of my past relationships ended for a reason, and it just didn't work out. It might seem like a lot because I've made them all public with you guys. Who knows? Moving on. That was a long one. Sorry. You're shy, but people mistake it for being stuck up, but you're probably such a nice person. I feel like that's true. I feel like I am a really nice person, but when you first meet me, I definitely do come off as shy or like standoffish, just because I have like a guard up and I just like to observe people. Yeah. Oh my God, this shirt, it's just so bad. You still are just as insecure after losing a bunch of weight as you were before. I feel like I am less insecure now than I was before, but I definitely do still have my days, and I deal with like body dysmorphia and stuff, which is really hard. Your body count is 5 or higher. I got so many assumptions about body count and how many people I've slept with and all that. I'm like, oh my gosh. I like to keep all that private, and I feel like it's like no one's business, so I'm not gonna answer that. I'm sorry.
Mind your business.
You don't like your cousin anymore because you don't film with him anymore. I still love my cousin. We don't have any beef. He just hasn't came up to Washington, but we definitely do need to film some more videos because I love filming with him. Next one is you fall in love easily. I feel like it's either you're in love, or you just like love someone, and I feel like those are two different things. I don't think I fall in love easily, but I definitely do have love for people, and I 100% think that's why I have ended my past relationships, is because I didn't see them as like a long-term thing, and I wasn't in love with them. Like, I had love, but I wasn't like that in love with them feeling. This one's really weird. It's you think you and your boyfriend are going to break up. No, we're not breaking up. No. I'm not dating to break up. No, this is the real deal. You take lots of drugs at raves.
Are you guys on drugs?
False. I just drink at raves. You're constantly worried about how your body looks. To be completely honest, I feel like that is true. I feel like I'm very hard on myself, which I'm trying to work on, because I just need to like love my body and practice what I preach. You hate living at home. I love living here. I love living with my parents. I feel like mentally I'm so much better living here than at my other house alone. You went into lingerie advertising so you can get more guys. So I think this person is referring to my Savage X Fenty deal, which no, that is not the case. I love the brand and I wanted to work with them, so I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm wearing them. You vape/smoke a lot. No, I do not. You can move on easily from past relationships, which I admire. I feel like with my first relationship, it took me so long to get over that. To be completely honest, like 1 to 2 years to get over, because I was like literally in love with him. I think it took me so long to get over because I didn't let myself. I didn't let go. I've learned to just like let go, and if they're not good for you, then like why even like mentally drain yourself, you know? You trust people too easy. It takes me a long time to trust people, just because I've been through so many friendships and relationships, and they like lost my trust, so it takes me a while. That you only date white boys. I get this assumption. I think people just think this because the relationships that I've made public, they were all white. But I've had little flings and they haven't been white. My boyfriend now is mixed, so I don't know. You never want to move out of your parents' house. Right now I don't, but I do want to move out at some point and whenever it feels right. I like this one. You are getting close to being the happiest you've been in a while. It shows girly. I agree with that, and it makes me so happy, so thank you. But yeah, I definitely can see that, just because mentally I've been really good, and I've been surrounding myself with like positive people. Your boyfriend is either living with you or you're doing a very bad job at social distancing, which I got a lot of hate with like people saying you guys are doing a bad job social distancing, but we've been quarantining together since the very beginning of the lockdown. We have been social distancing ourselves from like other people, but we're doing a good job. That was all of the assumptions. If you guys have any other questions or assumptions, leave them down below. I hope I made sense. I feel like I was all over the place, but I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.